If your child ever got separated from you, would they know their name and phone number to give to a trusted adult? This simple activity will give your kids the knowledge they need to keep them safe in case of such an emergency. To create your own mock phone, you need the number printouts, poster board, and glue. I have attached a link to the free printable in the description box below. Start by cutting out the numbers. Now add them to the poster board. I used a colorful word strip to write the phone number down. This will give your child a visual when practicing their phone number. Now, allow them to follow the number and press each with their hand. Having this hanging up in their bedroom or playroom allows them to practice at any time. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.